I just wanted to pay honour and tribute and thank God for the blessing that you have been.
It's been a terrifying start to this assembly. I didn't know that big banner was going up and it gave me a dreadful fright. I thought I was going to need the defibrillator that's in sick bay. I always wanted to be a teacher. My dolls and teddies were very well educated. And the main reasons I wanted to be a teacher were that I just love learning things. And so schools were the best place to work.
So we just thought one more time we might get her to catch some snakes. Who would you like to pass on the baton of looking after the reptiles?
Mr. Lowe.
I hope you know how much we love you, and we're going to really, really miss you, and we're very thankful to God for all that you've done. These love hearts represent the thousands of kids that you have been Christ to over the last 35 years. By showing Christ's love in all that you've done, you've been His ambassador here, and you've nurtured and you've educated and you've loved these kids. And so we're just so thankful for what you've done.